How to fix Roblox from crashing on iPhone. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to fix Roblox from crashing on iPhone. The first step is to open or launch the App Store application, just like you can see here. Once you are on the App Store, search for Roblox and check if there is an update available for the app. If you see the update option, make sure you tap on it and allow the update to finish because running an outdated version of Roblox may cause it to crash frequently. After updating, the next step is to open the Settings app on your iPhone. On the Settings page, scroll down until you come to the option named General. As you can see here, tap on it and proceed. On the next page, you will see many options that you can use to manage your iPhone. From them, tap on the option named iPhone Storage. This will take you to a new page that shows all the applications that are installed on your device. Please wait patiently as the list loads completely. Once the page finishes loading, scroll through the list until you find Roblox. Tap on Roblox and you will see two options appear: Offload App and Delete App. Make sure you tap on Offload App because this option removes unnecessary app data while keeping your important information safe. After that, reinstall Roblox directly from the App Store to refresh the app. Once you have done that, the final step is to return to the main settings page of your iPhone. On this page, scroll until you come to the option named Background App Refresh. Tap on it and check the list of apps that appear here. From the list, make sure you look for Roblox and confirm that the toggle button is enabled. If it is off, make sure you turn it on because Roblox needs this feature enabled to run smoothly without unexpected crashes. Once you have completed these steps, Roblox should now work properly on your iPhone. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue and that you can now enjoy playing Roblox without it crashing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to fix Roblox from crashing on iPhone.